All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 39,699 miles on the odometer. Now the crazy flickering you see here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. That's the camera just being kind of funky. I just did a full software update on here to the newest software, so that's all done, and deleted all of the previous user data, so it's all fully refreshed and ready to go. Just gonna do a little test drive here. Shifting nice and smooth. One thing I thought was really cool is this shade was closed, and when I got in the car and started it, it automatically opened. So it seems like that's a setting that you can do, which is really cool. And then when you turn the car off and get out, eventually it will auto close to keep the interior nice and cool. I thought that was a really, really cool feature there. Alignment is perfect. I'm not having any issues there. Hitting on the brakes kind of hard. They feel solid. This is a non-smoker. Really, really nice. No complaints with drivability. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now there is no PPF paint protection film on this vehicle. And then here on the front right tire, date code 2024. That one's 2024. That side's 2024. And the back left is 2023. Now that could have been all from, new. They just had different date codes, but they're all the exact same tire. Looking at the wheel, now when we get close, you're gonna see some light imperfections on that gloss black. You can see some little markings, typical swirls in the finish. Overall, in great condition. We do have a little scratch here. Barely catches my nail though, but it is there. A couple of little ones there. Looking at the fender, looks good. This is all gloss black. All the trim is gloss black, looks really, really good. A couple light scuffs here and there, a little rock chip. A-pillar, that looks nice. Got the proximity buttons here on all four doors. Lower side looks good, that door's clean. A couple light scuffs here, but otherwise in great condition. That door looks good, lower side. Looks nice. You do have a little bit of rash right there. The rest of the wheel looks good, and stuff like this is a pretty easy repair. They do sand them down and they can repaint that being gloss black, and it would look 99% better. Well, that looks good. I do see some markings here. It's very subtle though. You can see that, a little one there. Got the gloss black trim up top here. Around the headlights, full lower side, looks awesome. You can see some rock chips right there. Just kind of scanning the hood. That looks nice. A couple small bug splatter spots that kind of etched into that clear a little bit. Headlight looks good. A few small rock impacts. See any other damage larger than just a few of those little rock impacts. You can see where the washer fluid comes out here. It looks like it's stained that gloss black. So it's kind of etched into that. Fender looks good. That wheel looks like some very light rash on that edge that's been touched up a little bit. So from about here to about right there. So a couple spokes worth. Lower side looks good, nice and clean. That looks nice. A couple little impacts on the side mirror. That door looks good, same here. Quarter panel's clean. Looking at that wheel, overall in great condition. Tail lights look awesome. Here on this cover, you can see some paint is chipping off right there, and a little on that top side. Have a few little scratches there. The rest that looks good. Got the tow package, all gloss black trim. I do see some scratches right here on that back bumper. Other than that, looks really good. All right, checking out the interior. Kind of have a two-tone theme going on. Looks to me like a dark gray and then a pewterish color, kind of an off tan-ish look. I'm sure there's a special name to it, but it looks good. I love the pattern. Look at that like kind of pattern in there. Super nice. Non-smoker, 39,000 miles. Really nice. Here on the upper section, that looks good. Memory seating. Here's all your buttons. Nice and clean. That trim looks good on the upper section. Now we do have some little nicks in that leather right there. Meridian audio, lots of storage. You got the all-weather mat, but the whole floor is also vinyl underneath. Very nice. That trim looks good. Bolster's in great condition. Little thread kind of coming off here. No big deal. Probably trim that up and it would look good. Rest of that seat's in great condition. Here on the steering wheel, a few light little scuffs. Looking at the top side, nice and clean. Upper side of the dash, looks good. Got a storage cubby here, and then you got a pass-through. You can actually see behind the screen that goes all the way back. Looks good. No scratches on the screen. Here's your shifter, super easy. Push the button for park, pull the lever down or up, reverse and drive, push button start. Massive center console. You have the whole storage here on the underside. Have it all there. Very nice. Beautiful setup. Here on the front right door panel, this upper section is perfect. Speaker cover looks good. Got your memory seating. Now here on that speaker, it's a lot of like kind of fuzz. You can see that coming out. Not quite sure what that is. It looks like something in the speaker, the actual material there. It's kind of coming out, kind of odd. Huge cubby right here, it looks good. All-weather mats, nice and clean. Power seating, of course. Bolster looks amazing. Rest of that seat looks perfect. Nice and clean. Check that out. You have a USB-C port here. You have storage, a little pass-through behind the screen. That looks really good. Here on the back right door panel, that upper section, absolutely perfect. Grab handle looks good. That looks nice. And once again, got the little fuzzies coming out of the speakers. You can see that. This must be kind of a factory defect type deal. Never seen that before. All-weather mat. Looks like it's a two-piece design. Might be a three-piece. Actually, yeah, three-piece design. But underneath that, it's already vinyl flooring. And at that seat, that bolster looks amazing. The rest of the seat looks good. Got this little centerpiece, small cup holders here. And back side, let's check out the ports. USB, climate control. You got the vents here. Little storage in the back. Looks really good. Good view of the sunroof here, and it looks like they got a little baby one back there. Here in the third row, got a little cubby there. You can see that net. You can put some storage stuff in. Got the all-weather mat. Looks like vinyl flooring again. Sit three people back here, and there's child restraints on those seats on the outboard seats, so that's really nice. They have their own sunroof, grab handle, all the hooks. It looks really good. Here on the back left door panel, upper section looks good. That's nice and clean. Got the fuzzies in the speaker once again. A little bit of storage. That trim is nice. Here on that bolster, I do see a couple little stains. I mean, they might come out, I'm not sure, but at least just saying there's some spots there. That looks good. You got the buttons here. Like I said, you can flip all of these down, all 6 of them, so you have a little bit of better view when you're driving if no one's in the car. Other than that, looks good back here. And then checking out the console here, you have a cooler. And then that flips all the way back. That can be like a little storage cubby for kids, put snacks in, things like that. Super nice. Got the wireless charging pad here. Really big cup holders. Massive storage under there. USB-C port, USB, and little cigarette outlet. Massive screen, 360 camera. See the full circle. Like I said here, push. All that flickering you see here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Got the navigation screen here. It looks like you can adjust all of those settings. Heated steering wheel, all of that looks really good. And then looking in the glove box, I do not see an owner's manual in there. Got the all-weather mat right here. See your third row. These tilt down, so if you need a little bit better view, looks like you can knock all those down so you can see out that back window better. You can raise and lower the suspension right here with those buttons. Looks like your jack and whatnot. I'm not sure what would have been right there. That's really nice. A little bit of storage here, and then this is a better view of that back bumper. A lot of that's hidden with that tire, but it is scratched up pretty good. Quick, easy fix on that is if you just did some gloss black vinyl right there. I think that would make it look a lot better and protect it. There's a little scratch right there. We're just going to scan through the engine bay here, checking out the plastic. Nice and clean. Easy access washer fluid here. Just pop that cap. That's really nice. Really clean engine bay. Plastics are all protected. All very nice. Here on the underside, that liner looks perfect. That's in great condition. There's your sticker.